And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I live a life that's full, I travel each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exception. I planned its careful course, its careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew when I did up more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was no doubt, I ended up and spent time. I faced it all, and I stood up and did it my way. I laughed, I laughed and cried. I had my fear, my set of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a silence. Oh no, oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he done? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who lives. Dirty consoles, I took the blows and did it my way. Yes, it was my way.